What's up, Etsy sellers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be spying on some more top sellers and analyzing their listings, titles, and tags because we see a lot of people copying top sellers in error because it will result in error because a lot of top sellers get away with a lot of things that you can't as a smaller seller. And if you try to replicate those things, you're going to have a bad time. So what's up, everyone? My name is Dave. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I do new videos all the time on Etsy success. In this video, we're going to be using a tool called Everbee. I love it because you can use the analytics of every single listing. You can see it. It estimates how much each listing is making monthly, and that's really powerful. If you want to try it out, the link is in the description. But let's start off with this one that I found. This is a perfect example. So this shop right here has 9,000 reviews and 44,000 sales. And if you just look at this listing here, it literally is 3 words long. So a lot of people might, if you're a newer seller, you might make the mistake and go, you know what, I'm just going to do 3-4 words, which sometimes can work out, sometimes, most of the time does not, because there's not enough data in the title to really pull you through. This shop being so massive, it got Etsy's, it was easy to get the attention of Etsy and then got Etsy's pick. So I got this straight off of going to, just by clicking right here, jewelry and accessories. And then this was on that page. So I'm not sure, a wedding veil counts as an accessory, but it landed there and we found it. So it's called Blanca Veils. So don't copy them if you're selling veils. We're going to take a look at the analytics real quick. This is what Everbee does. It's pretty useful for me because Etsy doesn't show you the tags anymore, and this tool does. So it's really helpful for when you're looking for inspiration on tags, etc., or seeing what your competitors are doing. So this Everbee is estimating the estimated monthly revenue at $1,850, which is great. Listing age, 7 years. This is an 8-year-old listing. So this listing is just ridden on tons of momentum from the shop. So this is definitely an amazing example, actually, of why you definitely do not want to copy top sellers. This listing is 7 years old, and it has so many sales on it that it does not even matter what is in the tags or titles. Well, it does, but you get the point. It's just an anomaly, and there's tons of anomalies out there that people end up copying. So we can see the tags: elegant veil, cathedral veil, soft veil, ivory wedding veil. So yeah, the tags are good. There's nothing in there that I wouldn't use if I was this seller. And sometimes the short titles can take you pretty far because the Etsy's only focusing on those couple words. I would say 2 phrases, 2 3 to 4 word phrases was what I consider like a really short title. And you can test around with those things and see if they work out. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. It depends on your niche, your competition, and your shop. There are so many variables at play all of the time that you really cannot split test on Etsy because of the nature of it being a marketplace. It's not like an ad where you're running the same exact ad to the same exact targeting, or controlling A and B. It's not the case with Etsy. If you post something, it's just like, think about it like Instagram. If you post something, it just gets buried and buried and buried and buried and buried, and it can disappear eventually. It's like that on Etsy. You post something, and over time, if it doesn't get any action, aka sales, views, add to carts, etc., then it does get buried. So keep that in mind. Do not copy this shop by having a 3-word phrase. That's just not going to work out. 7 years ago, it worked out, and it continued to work out and continued to work out. But we're in 2022 now. Is it 7 years, 11 months? So it's pretty much 8 years. Don't copy 8-year-old listings. Super powerful tool. If you want to try it out, you can try it for free. You don't have to put your credit card in. The link is in the description if you want to support the channel. This is funny that the jewelry and accessories page is putting a bunch of wedding stuff. Etsy might be foreseeing people are shopping for weddings right now. Let's find another. Ooh, here we go. 53,000 reviews. That's even better. That's even better. I like it. Okay, so family charm necklace, custom birthstone initial necklace, delicate necklace, unique gift for her, stamped mom necklace. Okay, so I mean, this one has come up a few times. This critique that I have for larger shops, um, putting your SKU in the title hurts your SEO. The algorithm is confused. It doesn't know what this is at all. However, here you go again. You have a shop with 358,000 sales that does not need to follow the traditional rules that smaller stores should practice. Okay, this listing is 5 years old. It's got so much momentum and so many reviews that it's on the top page when you click on jewelry and accessories. It just does not have to follow the same rules as you do as a smaller seller. So this one's estimating at $1,700, dollars a month, and it's got whatever this word is. That's probably a different language for necklace or whatever. Down here, birthstone necklace, custom gift for mom, family charm necklace, gift for her, mom necklace, unique gift, custom birthstone, initial necklace, stamp necklace, birthstone initial, Valentine gift. Okay, so, sorry. That's the name of their shop. That's not a different language. Yeah, so that's another one that we see this really commonly with large shops, putting your shop name in your title or your tags. That's fine if you're a large shop and you're very well known. But it's not okay for smaller shops. Nobody knows who you are. Nobody's coming back. Most of your sales are coming straight from the search results. So don't mess around with putting your name in your tags unless you're like a Picasso or a store with 50,000 freaking reviews and 300,000 sales. Nobody's coming to Etsy to look for you. They're looking for your product, and therefore you should use your title and your tags accordingly to get your product in front of those people. Okay, so this, you can put your SKU. They do this for logistical purposes. You can put your SKU in the back end, and it'll still show up while you're looking at your orders. Some people, stores do this for logistical purposes, but if you're a small store, do not do this. It is hurting your search results. Okay, there you go. 5-year-old listing does not need to follow the same rules as you do as a smaller seller. So let's go to wall decor. Wall decor is one of the biggest niches on Etsy by far. If you look at the emails that Etsy sends out, they have stated this. Wall decor is massive. Here's a store I worked with before on the front page. Good to see that. Okay, so let's choose not a star seller. Oh, we'll do a star seller because we the whole idea is that we want to look at giant shops that are doing amazing, etc., but we don't want to copy them because they are falling outside of the rules that we need to follow. And why do they fall outside of those rules? Because they have so much momentum and so much click-through rate, so much conversion rate, high conversion rate, etc., that some rules don't apply to them in the ways that you think they do. Yeah, so farmhouse chicken decor, farmhouse animals, cow, pig, chicken. Do not make your titles like this. If you were a smaller store and you came to me for a coaching call, I would tell you, what are you doing with this title? Okay, farmhouse chicken decor. Farmhouse kitchen decor. Farmhouse kitchen decor, farmhouse animals, cow, pig, chicken. Do not put one word tags in your title or your tags. The algorithm is asking, you want a noun and an adjective. The algorithm is confused, like cow what, pig what, chicken what are you putting? It should be cow sign, pig sign, or chicken sign, chicken gift, chicken lover gift, pig, pig lover, whatever it may be. You don't want to repeat yourself, obviously, but there needs to be a specifying adjective or noun, specifying noun after these adjectives. In this case, it's acting as an adjective, even though cow, pig, and chicken are nouns. Yes, I know. So you're confusing the algorithm if you're putting one word tags or one words in your title. The algorithm says, what are you talking about, dude? Are you really selling a cow? Are you selling a pig on Etsy? Are you selling a chicken on Etsy? Because that is not that's against the rules. We're not an agricultural site here. Okay, so you don't want to confuse Etsy. You don't want to confuse the algorithm. Make sure to always have an adjective and a noun in your tag spaces. Okay, but again, big store doesn't really matter because the conversion rate, the click-through rate, and their history is pulling them through. The Etsy knows the category that they're in. Etsy's got these tags down here, and they got kitchen decor and farmhouse. Those are the words that are getting them the sales. Okay, farmhouse, kitchen decor. That's the only juice right there in the title that is working for them. Everything else, I would, if this was a smaller store that came to me, I would completely redo this title. And if you're looking for coaching, the description has all the information you need to contact me or book a coaching call with me. Let's look at the tags. Farmhouse sign, vintage farmhouse, cow, pig, sheep. What are you talking about? That's what the algorithm is saying. What are you talking about? Cow, sheep, chicken. Okay. Farmhouse decor, good. Kitchen sign, rustic kitchen sign, farmhouse kitchen. What? They repeated it twice with a different spelling? Wait, farmhouse. Where's the different spelling? Kitchen. I don't know how. That must be an error. Either on Etsy's API or the app, or I'm just not seeing how they're spelling it differently. Kitchen. Oh, yeah. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna skip that because I guess I'm brain farting. I don't know. Farmhouse animals: cow, chicken, pig. Cow, chicken, pig should not be a tag that you're using in your store if you are selling this type of stuff. Maybe cow lover, chicken farmer. Your chicken farmer would be much more useful for the algorithm to put this product in front of other people. If you were a smaller store, again, big stores can break the rules because they got all that momentum. They're giant snowballs. Okay, so keep that in mind. Again, here we go again. 5 years old. This listing is 5 years old. They have not touched it because they haven't experienced a drop in sales and said to themselves, "Oh my gosh, what do I need to do to fix my sales?" That has not happened to them. Or maybe it has. Maybe they did have a heyday, but their slump is still better than normal and they're still comfortable with the income that they're making, etc. So they have not, messed with it too much. Okay, so keep that in mind. And again, have a beautiful day, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. The link is in the description to try out Everbee. See you next time.